to do? You want to do what, baby?
Yeah, and I want surfing.
You want surfing?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know about surfing. What do you want to do?
Surfing.
You do? You want to go surfing?
Yeah.
Should Daddy and I take you surfing?
Yeah.
You want to go surfing right now?
Yeah.
Can you say, I want to go surfing?
Yeah.
Say it.
Please.
We should go surfing.
Please.
Okay. I guess we have to go surfing, Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.